Okay, Rocky, we're going to work on how to set up the scheduling program. So we're going to go up here to Canvas. Well, I said so. Canvas. Now then, first thing we're going to do is go over here to Courses. Okay, then I'm going to open up Advisor Resources. And I'm going to go over here and make sure I've got this unpublished. Okay, reason being, I've made this mistake twice now, once last spring and once this fall. As soon as I set up this schedule, within 5 minutes I have some students jumping on that thing and scheduling it before I even have the times actually worked out the way they're supposed to be. So, it's unpublished. So now I'm going to go down here to Calendar. Eventually, okie dokie. Now then, to set this up, I'm going to go up here to the plus sign, create new event. Well, hang on. First, I'm going to make sure I've got Advisor Resources checked right there, which it is. I'm going to scroll down through here and make sure I don't have any of the others checked, which I don't. Okie dokie. So now I'm going to go up here to this plus sign, click on that, and I'm going to go over here to Appointment Group. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a name. I'm just going to call this one Junk. Nah, I'll set it up like the real thing. Okay, we'll call this Fall 2019 Advising. Okay, location, 123 McCoy Hall. Select calendars, and you have to do this for some reason. Advisor Resources, done. Okay, so start today. Let's see. Well, I am available on Tuesday, so I'm going to put that in there. Tuesday, and I'm going to say, okay, 9. Whoops. Let's do this. 9:30 a.m. to okay, till noon. And then again, that afternoon, let's see, so again, Tuesday afternoon, and let's see, I'll say 2:30, whoops, 2:30 p.m. to, let's say 4 o'clock p.m. And then we'll do Thursday, same thing. Okay, so Thursday, 9:30 a.m. Well, I didn't put anything in there. 9:30 a.m. to high noon. Okay, and one more. Do again. Well, come on, calendar. There. And do Thursday again. Do Thursday afternoon. Oops. Try it again. Thursday afternoon. Yeah, I don't want that. I'm going to X that one out. So here. 2:30 p.m. I'm going to jump over there and I'm going to say 4 p.m. Okay. Now, I could go on to next week, to the following week, and I'm just going to stop here for this example. Hang on, I got to pause this because Jerry's calling. Okay, I'm back. That was Jerry calling. So, next thing you want to do is I want to divide this into 30-minute sections. So right there where it says 30-minute sections, we're going to hit go. And then I'm going to come down here. Limit each time slot to, okay, I'm going to say 1 user right there. Allow students to see. Yeah, I'm going to do that because they might want to come here at the same time somebody else is, so I don't know, there might be a reason not to, but I'll do it. Limit participants to attend one appointment. That seems pretty good. So now I'm going to hit publish on this. Okay, so there it is. Now then, what I can do is when I get ready to have students sign up on this, I can go back over here to courses, to advisor resources, and I can publish this thing. I'm not actually going to publish this because as soon as I hit publish, I will have students jump on this thing in about 5 minutes. Now, how those students receive this, I don't know. Exactly what students receive it, I don't know. From this point on, it works by magic. So, who knows how this thing works? But I know I've done this twice now, where as soon as I would have this thing before I even had the times right, I had students jumping on it and signing up for times. So, I'm not sure, I guess, let me check something here. Okay, let's check people. My guess is every one of these people right here is notified when I put this thing up here. I mean, this list just goes on and on and on. So I'm not sure how to control that part of it. Okay? So, but you can do that. Somehow the students are notified. They start jumping on it and signing up for times. Works pretty well. Problem is, once they sign up for a time, you cannot go back in and edit it. You can't add somebody to the schedule yourself. It has some drawbacks along that line. I gotta run home. There's another way of doing this using Google Calendars and another app that's just out there on the internet that gives you a little bit more flexibility over this thing and a little more control over it, but it's more of a hassle to set up. I'll put together a video on that maybe tomorrow night or something. Anyway, I'm not going to be at work tomorrow, which is going to be Monday, October 28th, 2019, because I've got to take care of some damage on the house. Okay? Otherwise, I'll talk to you later. Adios.